trees they are singing to the tune of a song, and the wind is gently ringing the bell that brings the morning, the welcome of the dawn.
This one from Amazon, this is supposed to be for your face. You can store ice over here and then put some water and dip your face inside, and you can make this bigger. It's a really nice product. So this is what the situation looks like. I have a lot of parcel to open, and yeah, I'm just gonna do that because I have to clean my beauty room before I film. So welcome back to another YouTube vlog. I am back from my vacation and it was such a great trip. I still can't get over it. Every single day, every single moment, we enjoyed so much. I'm very grateful for that. Now we are back. I have a lot of work to do and I have all the products in front of me, and you guys can see I'm all ready because I am about to film few videos. Today's plan is going to be very simple, just like regular days. I just had my breakfast. Now I am going to film my videos. Today I'm gonna get a delivery. Like, I'm very excited for this one because it was my birthday, so my husband planned this amazing bookshelf for me and he designed it and everything, and he ordered this bookshelf. You have to customize it. Obviously, carpenter who are good at work like this, you can just customize your furniture and they will take some time, maybe 2-3 months, and they will just do it for you. I'm gonna get the delivery. I'm very excited because I was waiting for this for so long, and finally today is the day I'm gonna get it, and I am really happy because I always wanted a bookshelf. Or if you love reading, bookshelf is something which is like a book lover's dream. So yeah, that's the thing. Today I also journaled a little bit after 15 days because obviously I was on a trip, and it felt really good to have some items like small showpiece type of things that I ordered from Mapcha. If you guys know about this brand, they have some amazing Tibetan beautiful products. I ordered 2 things from them. I haven't showed you guys because I was waiting for this bookshelf. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm just gonna finish up my work and I will see you guys later.
Scrolling on my phone, mind gets caught, lying to myself. I'm greener grass, dream another life, one that's not.
Oh, look at this cute notebook, which again I got from Nepal. This is handmade and I got this specifically for journaling. Isn't it so beautiful? It's very light as well. This is perfect because I was looking for something small but not too small and not like a big bulky notebook, because I really wanted to finish this and I really want to use this particular thing.
There's a love that I assume, freedom I get from the work that I do, thoughts that I choose, feelings I soothe, finding a mingle of ease, loving what is. Wouldn't it be grand if I settled in to love my life? What I have made foundations strong, built with brick. She wrote you a letter so you wouldn't forget her. Wish I could care less. It isn't my place to know what it says. My heart is a front page. It won't act its own age. It aches as it bends, folds at the edges. I'm out of my hand. Say that we're fine and all, 'cause we are. Where's that confidence for someone who finds it hard to remember? Where's that common sense? And now I wish to forget like normal people forget.